Bonjour à tous, good morning to all, and today we are going to see about the grammar part 2, which is based on your lesson 2 only. So before that, we will recall once our previous video. So our previous video content is les articles définis, that is definite article. So what are the definite article? Le, it is used for the masculine noun, and la, it is used for the feminine noun, and l apostrophe, the noun begins with vowel, and le, it is used for the masculine noun as masculine plural as well as feminine plural, and the meaning of these four the only. And second is les articles indéfinis, that is indefinite article. So what are the indefinite article? A, when and they. So a means what? A or an. So it is used for the masculine singular, and second when it is used for the feminine singular, it also meaning same only, a or an, and they, it is used for the uh, masculine plural as well as feminine plural, it means some. And third is les adjective interrogative, that is interrogative adjective, it is used to ask a question. And what are the interrogative adjective? Cal, it is used for the masculine singular, and cal, it is used for the feminine singular, and cal, it is used for the masculine plural, again cal, it is used for the feminine plural. These four are same pronunciation, but the spelling is different, and the meaning of this four, what or which. And fourth content is les adjective possessive, that is possessive adjective. So what are the possessive adjective? Mo, ma, me, ton, ta, te, son, son, se, son, son, se, notre, notre, no, and votre, votre, wo, and leur, 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 and leur, leur, leur. These are about the adjective possessive. So let us move to today's class, that is grammar part 2, and today's content is les adjective qualificatif, it means qualifying adjective, and second le pluriel de nom, that is plural noun, and third is le negative, that is negation, negation means it's like a negative sentence, and fourth is l'interrogation, l'interrogation it's an interrogation, and fifth le verb conjugation of present tense, and sixth is traduire la phrase. Traduire la phrase means what? Translate the sentence. And first content, les adjective qualificatif. Qualificatif is a qualifying adjective. What is qualifying adjective? So qualifying adjectives describe a quality of a person or animal or thing and agrees with the noun it qualifies, and in number singular and plural, and in gender masculine and feminine. So why qualifying adjective use we are using means it describe your quality of a person or thing or a animal. If a person means she looks beautiful, so that beautiful is a adjective, and for the animal is le tigre est petit, and the tiger is a small, that is a petit, it's a one of the adjective, that is small, it's an adjective. And the thing for a crayon, le crayon est long, the pencil is long or big, so that big is a adjective, so it's one of the adjective. Let's see the example. It also agrees the gender and the number also. Gender means that is feminine and masculine gender, and the number is singular and plural. And see the example, un bon restaurant. So bon means a good restaurant, here the adjective is bon. And second is win bal feel, it means a beautiful girl, here the adjective is bal. And third one is un joli sac, it means a pretty bag, here the adjective is joli. And fourth one is une jolie maison, a pretty house, here the gender is different. See the maison, it's a feminine noun, so for that we use jolie at the end of the adjective, we add e for this one. And first one is feminine adjective. So the feminine, this adjective means what? Feminine adjective. So how we form the feminine adjective? So the adjectives are generally masculine or neutral. And to get a feminine form of the adjective, we must add e to the masculine form of the adjective. So when you are changing into the feminine adjective, so you have to add e at the end of the adjective. And but if the masculine adjective it already ends with e, we should not change anything for the feminine noun. So you should not add any e for that feminine noun. So same thing in that adjective in the feminine noun also. And next let's see the example. Adjectives in masculine and adjectives in feminine. And see, first adjective is grand. Grand means a tall or big, a large or great. So when you are changing it to the feminine form, you have to add e only. And second, petit. Petit means what? A little or small. See, when you are changing it to the adjective, you have to add e only. Petit. And court. Court means what? Short. So when you are changing it to the feminine, you have to add e only. So court. And intelligent, it is intelligent. So you have to add e only. And next, jolly, it's a pretty or attractive or nice. So when you are changing, you have to add e only. Jolly. And intéressant, it's a interesting. So for that also you can add e. And mauvais, it's a bad. For that also you can add e only. So this is the formation for feminine adjectives in general. And second is I told you know, if the masculine noun it already ends with e, you should not add any e for that feminine. So second this thing only. So do not add e to the masculine adjective and to get a feminine adjective, since it already ends with e. See the example. Jean, it already ends with e. So when you are changing into the feminine noun, so you should not add any e for that. That same adjective in that feminine also. So Jean means what? Young, and for the feminine also it's same spelling. And sombre, it's a dark, gloomy. For that feminine form also same only. You should not add anything over there. And next, some adjective form their feminine form is an irregular manner. So some irregular verbs are there. The spelling should be changed when you are changing into the feminine form. Let's see the first one. Blanc, it ends with c. So these are the irregular adjectives. So for the irregular adjectives, the spelling it will be changed. See, blanc, it's mean white, and when you are changing it to the feminine form, it will become blanc, blanche. And next, bon, and when you change it to the feminine form, bon, O-N-N-E. And frais, frais means fresh, and when you are changing it to the feminine form, fresh. And next is gentil. Gentil, it's also nice, and when you are changing it to the feminine form, you have to add I-double-L-E. And next is long. When you are changing it to the feminine form, you have to add UE. So this you have to memorize by yourself only, these irregular adjectives and all. And second, so how do we form the plural nouns? So le pluriel is adjective, that is a plural adjectives. So in general, so we form the plural adjective by adding s only to the singular, and there is no exception for the feminine adjectives. So for the feminine adjective also we have to add s only. For the masculine also we have to add s only. Let's see the example. These are the masculine noun, that is left side. Grand, when you are changing it to the plural, so you have to add as grand only, the big. And next, blanc, it's white. So when you are changing it to the plural form, blanc, you have to add s only. And court, it's sharp, and for this thing you have to add s only. And gentil, for that also you have to add s. And jolie, for that also you have to add s only. And let us move to the feminine singular. Grand, it ends with e, and you have to add es only, grand. And blanche, blanche. And court, court. Gentil, gentil. And jolie, and jolie. So yes, you should not pronounce that same pronunciation, but the spelling is different. So this is the formation for the plural adjectives. let us move to the exercise. Fat, lack of these adjectives, and you have two exercises on there. So first one is the bicyclette a dash and petty it's a adjective. So here the bicycle it's a noun, it's a feminine noun. For that you can add e only. So petite, ta bicyclette a petite. And second is your bicycle is what? Small. And second is mon ami a dash on intelligent. So my friend is intelligent. So here the subject mon ami it's a masculine noun only. So you should not change. Sorry, it's a feminine noun. It ends with e, no? So my friend, it refers to the girlfriend, right? So for the girlfriend, you have to add. It's a feminine noun only. So you have to add e. So mon ami est intelligent. So my friend is intelligent. And third one is dans ma classe il y a une dash Buffy. So here the adjective it's a irregular adjective. So when you are changing into the feminine form, you have to add belle. Mean in my class there is a beautiful girl. And fourth one is l'autre est un dash pays. So pay it's a masculine noun only. So for the masculine noun you should not change anything. So you have to write the same answer only. So India it's a big country. And fifth one is la fleur est fraise. So here also the noun is irregular, sorry, adjective is irregular adjective. So the noun it's a feminine noun. La fleur it's a feminine noun. And when you are changing into the feminine form, you have to change fresh. Fresh means what? Fresh. And this is all about the first exercise. And the flower is fresh. And move to the second one. Fat, lack of these adjectives. So here you have to make adjectives only. Do with the adjectives only. And first one is make camarades so sympathetic. So here the adjective is what? Sympathetic means nice or friendly. So here my classmates. So my classmates is a plural, so that you can use masculine plural. So you have to add yes. So the at the end of the adjective you have to add yes. So mes camarades sont sympathiques. So my classmates are friendly. And second is mes chats sont gentils. So here my cats, the noun is what? It's a plural, masculine plural. For the masculine plural you have to add s only. So mes chats sont gentils. So my cats are nice. And next, les quartiers de Chennai sont dash brillantes. So here the noun, the les quartiers it's the area, the areas of Chennai. So brillant means what? Noisy. So here you have to use yes only. You have to add yes only because the noun is les quartiers. It's a plural, masculine plural. So the answer les quartiers de Chennai sont bruyants. The area of Chennai is very or noisy. And even mes sœurs sont grandes. My sister. So my sister it's a feminine noun only. It is a plural. This is not a singular. These are the plural noun. So my sisters or grand means what? Big or tall. So here you have to add es. Why? Because my sisters it's a feminine plural. For that feminine plural you have to add es. And next, ce sont des romans dash intéressant. Intéressant means what? Interesting. So here the noun is a plural noun only, so that you can use yes. This is the masculine plural noun, so you have to add yes only. So ce sont des romans intéressants. So these are the interesting novels. So this is all about the first content and the exercise also. Let us move to the second content, les pluriel des noms, that is plural nouns. So how do we form plural nouns in French? Here some set of rules are there that you have to follow when you changing into the plural noun. So first one is most of the French noun always form their plural by adding s in the singular form. So this is the first form. In general we have to add yes, that is the first form. So see the example, and Sharda means what? A garden. So when you are changing it to the plural, you have to change the indefinite article also. So here the indefinite article and, so when you are changing into the plural form, that also you have to change. They, Sharda, at the end of the noun you have to add yes. So a gardens. So this is the first rule. And second, if the singular noun ends with the s, x or z, so no further s added in the plural. So if the noun ends with s or x or z, you should not change anything when you changing into the plural form. So you should change the indefinite article only. See the example, amphi. Amphi means what? Your son. So plural form is what? They, phi. It ends with what? Yes. So that you should not change anything in that noun. So sons only. And second, win, wa. Wa means what? A voice. So it ends with what? X. So when the noun it ends with X, you should not change anything. And they wua means what? A no, voices. So here you have to change the indefinite article. And third one is an nay. An nay means what? A nose. So it ends with what? Iser. So you should not change anything. The same spelling only. So they, nay, noses. And second is third is the following nouns add an x instead of an s in the plural. Nouns ends with eau. If the noun ends with eau, so you have to add x only. See the example, as chapeau. Chapeau it ends with what? Eau. So when the noun it ends with eau, so you have to add x. So the answer is they chapeau. Chapeau, it's hats. And fourth one is, if the singular noun ends with al or ail, the plural usually it ends with aux. If the noun ends with al or ail, so you have to add aux only. Let's see the example. As journal means a newspaper, it ends with what? Al. So the noun it ends with al means, so you have to add aux. They journal, it's a newspaper. Here some examples are there. First one is le plurial de nom, that is plural noun, singular and plural. Wing pomme. So an apple. Here the endings is you have to add yes, and you have to change the definite article also, indefinite article also. So they pomme, apples. And next, ajut and s. So you have to add yes only, that is add. So add rail. Rail means what? Rail only. So they rail. So this is the first rule, right? And the ne change rien. So you should not change anything when the noun it ends with x, s or z. See the example, anne, nos, noses, and voix, des voix, voice, voices, and pot, des pois. So you should not change anything over there. And next, ajout and x. So add an x when the noun ends with eu or eau or eau. So if the noun ends with eu, that is as chevaux means what? Hair. So the plural form is they chevaux. And the anneau, it means lamp. They anneau lamps. And next, antio, they theo, it's a pipe, pipes. And ajout s, so add s, the noun ends with ou. See the example, and ku means what? Neck, and they ku, necks. And as sou, it's a penny, and they sou, pennies. And change aux, if the noun ends with al, so you have to add aux. See the example, un journal means newspaper, and plural form is des journaux. So let us move to the exercise which is based on this second topic. Mettez les verbes avoir au présent et les noms au pluriel. So you have to conjugate the avoir verb conjugation. So what is the avoir verb conjugation? J'ai, that is I have, tu as, you have, il a, he has, elle a, she has, Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. Ils sont, they have. Elles sont, they have. So you have to use with the use of our verb conjugation and the plural nouns. And first one is vous dash win croix. So you have a cross and you have to conjugate the our verb for the vous subject. So vous avez and definite article is we. When you are changing into the definite article in the plural, they, and the croix it already ends with x. So the noun it already ends with it x. You should not change anything. So vous avez, they, croix, and you have the crosses. And next, tu as dash win fee. So here you have to use our verb conjugation is a, and the indefinite article is they, and fee you have to add yes. So you have the daughters. And next, j'ai dash and monto, and our verb conjugation is ai, that is j'ai, and the indefinite article plural is they, and monto it ends with eau. For that eau you have to add x. So j'ai des manteaux. I have got the coats. And next, al dash and kado. So for that our verb conjugation is al a, and indefinite article is they, and kado it ends with eau. So you have to add x only. So she got presents. Kado means gift. And next, nous, and our verb conjugation is avons, and indefinite article plural is they, and ozo also ends with eau. For that you can use x only. So nous avons des oiseaux, and we have the birds. We have some birds. And move to the second one. Mettez la phrase souvent au pluriel. So here you have to change the sentence in the plural form. Let's see the exercise. First one is Mon ami habite à New Delhi. So my friend lives in New Delhi. So when you are changing into the plural sentence, my friends are lives in New Delhi. So adjective possessive is mo. So for the plural form for the adjective possessive is may, and ami you have to add s, and abite it's a verb. When you are conjugate in the plural subject, you have to add ent, that endings, and a New Delhi. So my friends all lives in New Delhi. And next, le marchand augmente le prix de cet article. So merchant increase the price of the article. So here the definite article is le, and plural form of the definite article is le, and merchant it's a noun, you have to add s for that, and argument it is your verb. For that verb you have to add ent, and le prix the ces article. So here the demonstrative adjective is there. So for the demonstrative adjective you have to change ces, and article you have to add yes. And next C1 is tu as ton cadeau. So you have your gift. For that tu, that's a second person singular. For the second person plural is vous only. For that vous, our verb conjugation is vous avez, and adjective possessive for the vous, vos, and cadeau it ends with eau. So you have to add x. So vous avez vos cadeaux. So you have your presents. And next D1, son fils est à Chennai, and his son is in Chennai only. So for that adjective possessive is leur, fee, son. For adverb conjugation for the plural you have to add son only, and à Chennai. So their sons are in Chennai. And next, l'élève est content, the student is happy, and les élèves sont contents. For the adjective possessive, les articles définis les, and élèves you have to add yes, and adverb conjugation you have to use a sont, and content it's happy, it's an adjective, you have to add s for that. Let's see this one, that arrow mark one. For ma, it's a adjective possessive, you have to change may, and la, it's a definite article that you have to change into lay, and tu, it's a subject and you have to change into woo, and so it is also adjective possessive, you have to change into lur, and lur, it's a definite article that you have to change into lay. So this is all about the second exercise. Let us move to the third content, the negatio. Negatio means what? Negation. Negation means negative sentence. So how do we form the negative sentence in French? So the negatio, ne pas, is used to create the negative construction in French. So when you are changing it to the negative form, we always use ne and pas only. And next, in French, a sentence is commonly negated by inserting two words, that is basic negation. What are the two words? Ne and pas is placed around the conjugate verb to the negative and affirmative sentence in French. So where it has to be placed means it is placed before the noun. Ne, it is used before the verb, and pas, it is used after the verb. Let's see the example. Il parle anglais. So he speaks English. It's a affirmative sentence. So when you are changing it to the negative sentence, so you have to use ne pas only. So il ne parle pas français. So he does not speak French. So this is a formation for negative in French. And here one thing is there, indefinite article and we became the or the apostrophe in front of a vowel, that is, or a mute h after a negative expression no pa. So for the indefinite article in the sentence, is there any indefinite article? Instead of that indefinite article, you should change der d apostrophe. So that's what they are telling here. So in negative sentence, indefinite article. So what are the indefinite article? And, when, they, and became the or the apostrophe. See the example. Tu as un frère. So do you have your brother? So when you are changing it to the negative form, no, je n'ai pas de frère. So that it became what? The frère. So I don't have the brother. And next, est-ce que Laila a une sœur? So Laila has a sister. No, elle n'a pas de sœur. So no, she doesn't have a sister. So Laila becomes the subject is what? Elle. And next, Monsieur Dubois a des enfants. So Monsieur Dubois is having a children. No, il. Dubois, it became il only because he is a masculine. So il n'a pas d'enfant. That is the apostrophe. Why? Because the noun begins with vowel. So here an apostrophe, here also a verb, that is our verb, it begins with vowel, so that we used an apostrophe over there. So let us move to the exercise. Mettez la phrase au négatif. So make a sentence in the negative form only. So first one is mes amis aiment la danse classique. So my friends are likes classical dance, and answer is mes amis n'aiment pas la danse classique. Here the verb is aimer verb. So before that you have to use an apostrophe. Why? Because the verb begins with vowel, and after the verb pa you have to use a, and the meaning of the sentence. So my friends like a classical dance, and the answer, my friends do not like the classical dance. And second one is tu demandes les informations au bureau, and you have you ask the office information. So for that answer is Demander, it's a verb. For that, before the verb you have to use the, and after the verb you have to use pas. Okay, so the answer is what? Tu ne demandes pas les informations au bureau. So you don't ask the office information. And third one, Hugo travaille nuit et jour. So Hugo travaille, it's a verb. For that, before the verb you have to use ne, and after the verb you have to use pas. So Hugo ne travaille pas nuit et jour. So Hugo did not work the night and day. And fourth one is les filles utilisent un dictionnaire français anglais. So the girls using the dictionary, that is French to English dictionaries. So the answer is les filles, it's a subject, and n apostrophe, because utilisent, it's a verb, it begins with vowel, so that you can use n apostrophe. So les filles n'utilisent pas the dictionary. Here and dictionary, it's an indefinite article, so that you can use the dictionnaire français only. And next, even je commence un régime demain. So I start a dieting tomorrow. So here also indefinite article is there. For the indefinite article you have to change the only. So je ne commence pas the régime demain. So I did not start my dieting tomorrow. So the negation for this thing you have to change the, that is indefinite. About our today's video. So what are the today's content? One is les adjective qualificative, that is qualifying adjective, and second is le pluriel de nom, it is plural noun, and third is the negative means what? That is negation. So this is all about our today's video, and I'll give some exercise which is based on these three topics that you have to do in your French note itself. I'm Messi. Thank you.